Hello everyone, it's me, Twilight Game for the Chaos Humans here, and I'm back playing Ape Escape 3. Now, last time, we pretty much started off the game, and now we're gonna start the game up more. And we're gonna play the Monkey Forest.
Hey!
Oh, great. I can't skip this, dang it.
It's a monkey radar. Use it to find monkeys. You'll probably want to practice learning how to use it in the training room. Want to go over to the training room to try it out?
Well, no. I would show it off, but I'll show it off in some different portions.
I'll be back!
Now, we're gonna try to catch 7 monkeys in the stage. And of course, the music's pretty good as well. Yeah, you probably know where this is going. That's one down. Wow. Yep. So far, so good. Another monkey captured. Alright. Now, the next monkeys are up this area. Oh yeah, if you want to double jump, just press... Okay, it's obvious at this point. But let's watch this, I guess. Where are you? But yeah, if you guys want the film animation, then you have to go on that camera. Of course, then it showed up the first part. Yeah, that's pretty much how you complete it. Just wait and then boom. Caught the camera guy. Yeah, you guys can tell I'm kind of a pro at this game. I mean, this game's pretty easy. I guess that's why he shows it as a Let's Play. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. Okay, choose the gadget. Alright, as you can tell from the monkey radar, it basically tracks monkeys down, as you guys probably heard. More than it was too obvious. Now we got Mr. Big Bad Wolf. Alright. Get back here, Mr. Wolf. No! Man, I really hate this guy. Not again. Ooh, managed to pull it off. Alright. Now, with Mr. Big Bad Wolf gone. Oh yeah. We suddenly got a random person over here. And now, reach the second stage. Yeah, this game is pretty easy to beat. Mostly because capturing monkeys is all you do, but there's gonna be some extra parts in this. Like, what I mean by extra parts, I mean like bosses. I mean, bosses were pretty obvious in this game. But yeah, let's see what happens.
Welcome back. Capturing all of those monkeys and tiring, eh? I think you'll be exhausted, so I made this new device for you. If you use this, you can change into lots of different forms. Different forms? Huh, like what? Why don't you just try it and see? I think you'll be happy with what you can do. Really? Of course. Cool. I'm still putting the finishing touches on it, but it should be done in time for the next stage. Huh. Well, I'll let you know what it will change you into then, okay?
Yeah, basically you can transform to different forms. Now, I'm gonna go to the shop just to get some cookies. Or at least some light energy or something. This is why I get money, just so I can get some cookies. Now then, I'm pretty sure you guys already know we got a transformation, and Saruman's castle is gonna be the one we're gonna play it as.
Hey, ta-da! Your first morph is the Fantasy Knight. I'm entering the morph data for it into the morph gear. Its specialties are defending and making powerful attacks. You'll probably want to practice learning how to use it in the training room. Want to go over to the training room to try it out?
Now, if you guys forgot how to do this, as I would, then you have to go to the training room. That's why I didn't do it with the Monkey Radar or whatnot. But yeah, I'll do it with some of them, but not all of them, obviously. Let's see.
To use the morph, once the gauge is full, during the morph, you can off if you want the green.
Basically, press both R1 or R2 just to be in this form. Yeah. Wow. I can't believe I did that.
I'll be back!
So much for trying to show it off. Why did I do that? I wish I took that back. But yeah. Now we're gonna be a knight, which is kind of fitting. But after this, we're gonna face the boss, which I'm probably gonna do in a separate part, obviously. This will probably be a 3-parter in one day. This is just to show it off. As you guys can tell, this is pretty tough. Anyway, there's a time limit on this. Anyway, catching monkeys is pretty easy when you have this. Why did I forget X isn't jump? No wonder I felt so bad that X isn't jump. Why did I forget that so easily? Dang it. No wonder I had difficulty in this game. Alright. Anyway, we pushed this easily. Since the main entrance is blocked, we had to go to a different pathway. But as far as I know, we only captured one monkey. Alright. Yeah, some of these monkeys will be hard to catch unless you attack. Wow, get my bucket. No, 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 no! That was pretty sad. As you guys saw, if you get captured, then, well... Basically, if you get captured by a monkey, then you get to teleport back here. So, make sure that doesn't happen to you guys, alright? Looks like I'm not MLG Pro at this as I thought I was. If you guys have any cookies, I'd like to take them. Alright. Seems I only got one cookie of it. Just to make sure everything doesn't go bad. Alright. Alright, gotta hurry, hurry, hurry. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you can block fire as well. Why do I forget that every time? Oh yeah, if you guys want a lot of money, then you know where to get it. Alright. Alright, one monkey captured. But yeah, just to make sure you guys know, there is money here. If you guys are looking for quick money for, I don't know, buy items and whatnot, this is your place. Just give me you guys that hint. Because, you know, it was important. Alright. Here's another night, dude. Alright. Night out. Alright, time to get you this dude. Or gal. Okay, let's just call him Monkey. Another monkey captured. Apparently we got some monkey. I think there's a star on it. Alright. If it's gonna be this tough, then I have to use Fancy Night. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we got another monkey. We're just down to the last two. Oh yeah. As you guys can tell, there is another star monkey. Basically, those are special monkeys. You can consider those the zodiac kind, I guess. King Leo's cot. Alright. Let's keep it up. And now that ends the stage. Alright, we clear another stage, and we are near the boss. Yeah, you guys could get what the big deal is. Oh, wait, we're fighting the boss already? Oh, dang it. I guess we're fighting the boss now.
had that awesome dragon.
You're supposed to be frightened. This dragon has rained fiery death upon many a valiant knight.
Well, he doesn't look that tough.
What? You dare to belittle my greatest creation? This will not do!
We're the ones who should be saying that. You fix everyone that you hurt right now.
Ha! There's no way that's going to happen. I have orders to affect everyone in the whole world.
Orders? Ha! Orders from who?
From Spectre, of course. Who else?
Spectre?
Oops. Oh, I forgot that it was against the rules to say his name. You little brat! This is all your fault!
You're the one who said it.
Shut up! Well, now that you know our secret, I'm afraid that I can't allow you to leave here. I was about to make a movie starring myself, but I guess that will have to wait. Change in scenario. Your time has come, brat!
We're facing the first boss and Conclave of Dragon. Alright. 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 Basically, you don't have the knight. You can't exactly defend yourself. Alright. 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 He's gonna check above us, I guess. Alright. You're not so tough as you think, man. It's easy to beat this guy unless you go full force. Alright, is this all you got? I guess it is. Hahaha. It's over. You know, they say, you're finished. And ends the crazy scientist. And apparently we blow that up somehow. Ally of the Dragon. Not a bad title, actually.
Well, that is just awesome.
Well, enjoy the cutscenes, guys.
Well, well. Things have become quite interesting, haven't they? Shall I go and say hello?
An exquisite idea. Very well. I shall go get ready. Please wait here for a bit.
So, again, Spectre is behind all of this. Who's Spectre? That name sounds familiar. You two don't know him? Spectre is an ultra-intelligent monkey that wants to rule over all mankind. Somewhat dangerous. He used to be one of the most popular monkeys at the Monkey Pit. But he turned to evil when he put on a monkey helmet, and now he's become the boss of the evil monkeys.
No mere boss. I'm their glorious leader. Obviously, you aren't fans of my show.
Spectre? So you're the one behind all of this. Just what is it that you want?
I heard that someone dared to stand in my way, so I wanted to get a look at who it could be. I must say I'm quite relieved it's only you.
What? You can! Yeah! Yeah!
You think you can capture me again? this you, then...
Do you mean me, Mr. Spectre? That's right. I am human, yet the end of humanity. These monkeys have won me over. I am the ultimate scientist. I'm 28 years old, single. I'm 6'3", including hair. I'm 145 pounds, also including hair. My favorite color is turquoise, and I have an IQ of 1300. And they call me Dr. Tomoki. And don't you forget it.
What do you think you're doing? Just introduce yourself normally. Normally, cut the camera.
I want exquisite production.
Anyway, we have nothing to fear from you fools.
That's right.
Tomoki, how have you been? You always had a good head on your shoulders.
Lucky? Huh? Yes. Right. Well, Spectre, we can't waste the entire day talking to these people. We have work to do.
Huh? Oh, right. So anyway, relax and enjoy our show. Of course, if you insist on resisting us, we'll be glad to crush you like vermin. Ciao.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Aki! Are you friends with that guy? Well, once, long ago. But never mind that now. We've got to capture Spectre.
So yeah, you guys can tell this history, and honestly, Dr. Tomoki is the best character in the game. You're about to find out why
I
soon.
wonder how old.
But yeah, basically, if you guys don't know who Dr. Tomoki is, basically it's a... I'm not gonna spoil the game, I'm just gonna shut my mouth there. Anyway, I believe that ends the video off, guys. Of course, it's been the technical difficulties part. Anyway, never mind that. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like this video, though, click that like button. If you guys want to say anything at all, put in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe to the channel and you won't miss out. And until I get them, I'll show you guys later.